Welcome back to Tech and Gadget Reviews. If you're a digital artist or creator looking for the best drawing tablet to elevate your work, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the top 10 drawing tablets available on Amazon. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these tablets offer exceptional performance, precision, and value for money. From industry-leading brands to budget-friendly options, there's something for everyone. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other details. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews.
Huion Drawing Graphics Tablet. The Huion Drawing Graphics Tablet is an excellent choice for artists looking for a reliable and feature-packed tablet at an affordable price. With a large active area and responsive pen pressure, it ensures smooth and precise drawing. The tablet is compatible with most creative software, including Photoshop, Illustrator, and Corel Draw, making it perfect for professional and hobbyist artists alike. The pen offers excellent tilt recognition and high sensitivity, allowing for fluid strokes. It also comes with customizable shortcut keys for added convenience. Its sturdy build and ergonomic design make it comfortable for long hours of use, while the USB connectivity ensures seamless performance. Whether you're creating digital art, illustrations, or photo editing, the Huion Graphics Tablet delivers professional quality results every time.
TEROW 10 by 6-inch Drawing Tablet. The TEROW 10 by 6-inch Drawing Tablet offers a perfect balance between functionality and affordability. Its large, active drawing area provides ample space for creating detailed artwork, while the high-pressure sensitivity of the stylus allows for precise control over your designs. This tablet features a sleek and portable design, making it easy to take anywhere. It's also compatible with a wide range of creative software, including Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and Clip Studio Paint, making it a versatile tool for all types of digital art. The tablet also supports both left-handed and right-handed users, thanks to its customizable settings. With smooth, accurate input, this tablet is perfect for beginners and experienced artists alike who want great value for money.
The VEIKK VEIKK 1060 Pro V2 Tablet. The VEIKK VEIKK 1060 Pro V2 tablet is a feature-packed drawing tablet that offers an excellent drawing experience at a reasonable price. With a generous 10 by 6-inch active area and a high-pressure sensitivity of 8,192 levels, it provides incredible precision for creating digital art. The tablet's design is ergonomic and lightweight, making it comfortable to use for long periods. It also comes with customizable shortcut keys that can speed up your workflow. The stylus is responsive, with excellent tilt recognition, making it perfect for detailed line work and shading. It's compatible with major creative software such as Photoshop, Illustrator, and more. If you're looking for a tablet that combines performance and affordability, the VEIKK VEIKK 1060 Pro V2 is a fantastic choice.
Huion Compact Graphic Tablet. The Huion Compact Graphic Tablet is an ideal choice for digital artists who need a portable solution without compromising on quality. This tablet offers a compact design with a 6.3 by 4-inch active area, making it perfect for on-the-go creativity. Despite its smaller size, it offers high pressure sensitivity and accurate pen input for smooth strokes. It's compatible with a variety of software, including Photoshop, Paint Tool SI, and Autodesk Sketchbook, making it versatile for any project. The tablet comes with customizable express keys to streamline your workflow, and its lightweight construction ensures you can take it anywhere. If you're looking for a portable, affordable drawing tablet, the Huion Compact Graphic Tablet is a solid option.
XPPen Artist Drawing Tablet. The XPPen Artist Drawing Tablet offers a complete creative experience with its full-color display and excellent performance. Featuring a 10 by 6.25-inch drawing area, it allows for precise control over your artwork. The stylus boasts 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, giving you incredible accuracy and responsiveness. The tablet is designed with ergonomic features that ensure comfort even during long drawing sessions. It's compatible with various creative software such as Photoshop, Illustrator, and Corel Painter, making it a great choice for professionals. Additionally, the tablet supports 16 customizable shortcut keys that can be personalized to speed up your workflow. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, the XPPen Artist Tablet provides everything you need for creating stunning digital art. Artisul Pro Drawing Tablet. The Artisul Pro Drawing Tablet offers a unique combination of precision, performance, and design. With its 10 by 6-inch active area, it provides plenty of space to work on your art projects, while the 8192 level pressure sensitivity ensures every stroke is captured with great detail. The tablet's ergonomic design is perfect for long hours of drawing, with customizable shortcut keys to streamline your workflow. It is compatible with major creative software like Photoshop, Illustrator, and CorelDRAW, making it a versatile tool for all types of digital art. The responsive stylus offers excellent tilt recognition, allowing for fluid, natural strokes. If you're looking for a professional-grade drawing tablet that's both affordable and reliable, the Artisul Pro Drawing Tablet is a fantastic option.
PicassoTab A12 Digital Tablet. The PicassoTab A12 Digital Tablet is an excellent option for aspiring artists who need a budget-friendly drawing tablet with professional features. This tablet boasts a 12-inch full-color display with an impressive 8192 pressure sensitivity levels, ensuring smooth and precise drawing. The stylus is highly responsive and works seamlessly for detailed line work and shading. The tablet is compatible with a wide range of creative software, including Photoshop, GIMP, and Illustrator, making it suitable for both beginners and advanced artists. It also comes with a large active area, allowing for more room to create. The PicassoTab A12 Digital Tablet is an affordable, feature-packed tablet perfect for artists who want to take their digital art to the next level.
The Huion Frego Wireless Tablet. The Huion Frego Wireless Tablet offers the freedom of wireless connectivity combined with exceptional performance. This tablet features an ergonomic design with a large active area, making it comfortable for extended use. With its 8192 pressure sensitivity levels, it captures every stroke with precision, whether you're sketching or adding intricate details to your artwork. The wireless functionality ensures a clutter-free workspace, while the tablet's fast response time guarantees smooth drawing. It's compatible with major creative software such as Photoshop, Illustrator, and Paint Tool SAI, making it a versatile choice for all your digital art needs. If you're looking for a wireless tablet that doesn't sacrifice performance, the Huion Frego is a top contender.
VEIKK A15 Pro Drawing Tablet. The VEIKK A15 Pro Drawing Tablet is a fantastic option for digital artists who want a tablet that combines performance, portability, and affordability. With a 10 by 6-inch active area, it provides plenty of space for your artwork, while the high pressure sensitivity ensures smooth, precise drawing. The tablet is lightweight and compact, making it easy to take on the go. It's compatible with a wide range of software, including Photoshop, CorelDRAW, and Paint Tool SAI, making it a versatile tool for all types of digital artists. The VEIKK A15 Pro also includes customizable shortcut keys to help speed up your workflow. Whether you're creating detailed illustrations or simple sketches, this tablet is a great choice for any artist.
UGEE M708 Drawing Tablet. The UGEE M708 Drawing Tablet is a great option for both beginners and experienced artists looking for a budget-friendly tablet that doesn't compromise on quality. With a 10 by 6-inch active area, it provides ample space for your creations, while the 8192 pressure sensitivity ensures precise control over your strokes. The tablet is compatible with all major creative software, including Photoshop, Illustrator, and Corel Painter. The responsive stylus and customizable express keys enhance your workflow, allowing you to create seamlessly. Its sleek design and lightweight build make it easy to transport and comfortable for extended drawing sessions. If you're looking for an affordable yet high-performance drawing tablet, the UGEE M708 is an excellent choice.
That's a wrap on our top 10 drawing tablets. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect tablet to take your artwork to the next level. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more details and the latest prices on each of these incredible products. Remember to subscribe to Tech and Gadget Reviews and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more awesome tech recommendations.